السلام علیکم. چلیے سٹارٹ کرتے ہیں اپنا نیکسٹ سیشن پی پی ایس سی ایم سی کیوز کی طرف. اس ویڈیو میں ہم دیکھیں گے ڈفرینٹ ٹائپس آف ایم سی کیوز لائک آرٹیکل سے ریلیٹڈ ایم سی کیوز، ایکٹ سے ریلیٹڈ ایم سی کیوز، پاکستان کی ہسٹری سے ریلیٹڈ ایم سی کیوز اور بک سے ریلیٹڈ ایم سی کیوز. اس کے علاوہ ہم ڈفرینٹ ایئرس کو دیکھیں گے کہ کس سال میں کیا ہوا، یا اسٹیبلش دیکھیں گے کہ کس ایئر میں کون سا کالج اسٹیبلشڈ ہوا. تو چلیے چلتے ہیں. کوشچن نمبر 1. 1937 elections were held in 11 provinces of India subcontinent according to. So یہ 1937 تھا جب انڈین سب کانٹیننٹ میں 11 پروونسز میں الیکشنز ہوئے. تو وہ کس ایکٹ کے بیسس پہ ہوئے؟ اس وقت جو ایکٹ چل رہا تھا وہ 1935 کا ایکٹ تھا. سو آپشن اے جو ہے وہ کریکٹ آپشن ہے. کوشچن نمبر 2. Who became the first Muslim judge of the Calcutta High Court? سو اس وقت پہلے مسلم جج جو تھے وہ سید امیر علی تھے. سو آپشن سی از دی کریکٹ آپشن. کوشچن نمبر 3. According to Article 44 of the Constitution, the President of Pakistan shall hold office for a term of 5 years. Option C is the correct option. Question number 4. The name of Pakistan, according to Constitution of Pakistan, it is Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Question number 5. The Electoral College of Pakistan for the elections of President of Pakistan consists of. So it is consists of both houses, the member of provincial assemblies. Option C. Option C is the correct option. Question number 6. No person shall hold the office of President of Pakistan for more than 2 consecutive terms. Option C is the correct option. Question number 7. Objectives resolution was passed by first Constituent Assembly in the year of 1949. So objective resolution جو ہے وہ 1949 میں پاس ہوئی تھی. Question number 8. Sir Syed died on 27th March of which year? So it is very common question اور اس کا آنسر ہے 1898 1998 sorry. Option B is the correct option. Question number 9. In which year Islamia College for Women Copper Road was established? So it is established in 1939. Option C is the correct option. Question number 10. Who was the Viceroy of India when the Indian Council Act 1892 was passed? So the Viceroy was Lord Lansdowne. Option D is the correct option. Question number 11. When did Sir Syed write his famous book Asrar Sanadid? So it is written in 1847. Option A is the correct option. Question number 12. By which act of India women were granted right to vote? So it is Government of India Act 1935. Option A is the correct option. Question number 13. Syed Ahmad Shahid and Ismail Shahid were married in Option A Muzaffarabad, Option B Bagh, Option C Balakot, Option D Rawalkot. So Balakot is the correct option. Question number 14. When Lord Curzon announces the partition of Bengal? So it is announced on 16th of October 1905. Question number 15. Who led the Simla deputation? So Sir Aga Khan led the Simla deputation. Question number 16. Gandhi raised the slogan of Quit India movement. Quaid-e-Azam raised another slogan to counter it as under Divide and Quit. Option B is the correct option. Question number 17. Who inaugurated the State Bank of Pakistan? Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah inaugurated the State Bank of Pakistan. Option C is the correct option. Question number 18. Who was elected first president of Khilafat Committee? So Seth John Muhammad Chutani. Option C is the correct option. Question number 19. When a report of Simon Commission was published? So it is published in May 1930. Option A is the correct option. Question number 20. Which Muslim woman participated in all three round table conferences? So it is Begum Shahnawaz. Option A is the correct option. Question number 21. Which woman was part of delegation first sent to UNO after the creation of Pakistan? So it is Begum Salma Tasadduq. Option C is the correct option. Question number 22. When did Quaid-e-Azam resign the Indian Congress? So he resigned from Indian Congress in 1920. जबकि इन्होंने पाकिस्तान मुस्लिम लीग ज्वाइन की थी 1913 में, बट कांग्रेस में भी थे 1920 तक. So option B is the correct option. Question number 23. During freedom movement, which language played a vital role in the demand for a separate homeland for the Muslims of the subcontinent? So it is Urdu. Option C is the correct option. Question number 24. Who was the ruler of Kashmir at the time of partition? So he was Hari Singh. Option C is the correct option. Question number 25. Who announced the communal award? So MacDonald announced the communal award. Question number 26. Act of 1935 separated Singh from which province? So it is option C, Mumbai. Question number 27. The day of deliverance was observed on 22 December 1939. Question number 27 and option A is the correct option. Question number 28. Quaid-e-Azam gave his 14th point in a meeting held in 1929 in Delhi. Option D is the correct option. Question number 29. Who presided over the All India Muslim League session held at Allahabad in 1930? So he is Allama Iqbal. Option D is the correct option. Question number 30. The second populate census in Pakistan was held in 1961. Option D is the correct option. Question number 31. Which prophet could talk to his bird? So he is Hazrat Sulaiman. Everyone knows this. Question number 32. What is the meaning of Hajj Akbar? So Hajj Akbar means the Hajj which is performed on Friday. Option A is the correct option. Question number 33. Hajis during Hajj run between Safa and Marwa. What is the name given to this act? So it is option D, Sa'i. Question number 34. The Hajj pilgrims are required to wear ihram at the place called Miqat. Option B is the correct option. Question number 35. What was the age of Hazrat Umar Radiallahu anhu when they embraced Islam? Option D, 39 years is the correct option. Question number 36. For how long the caliphate of Hazrat Usman Radiallahu anhu lasted? So option D, 12 years is the correct option. Question number 37. Which surah of Holy Quran throws light on the halal and haram of sacrificial animals? So he is Al-Imran. So this surah is Al-Imran. Option B is the correct option. Question number 38. Name the surah of Holy Quran which mentions the right of parents. So it is Luqman. Option B is the correct option. Question number 39. How many times the word Kul has been repeated in the Holy Quran? So it is option B, 432. Question number 40. How many surah of Holy Quran begins with the name of the prophets? So it is 6. Option A is the correct option. Question number 41. Pick out the name of prayer which is preceded by Azan. So it is Zohar prayer. Option D is the correct option. Question number 42. Pick out the place where Hazrat Yahya is buried. So it is Syria. Option A is the correct option. Question number 43. Give total number of Hajj performed by the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. So it is 1. Option C is the correct option. Question number 45. Struggle for Pakistan was written by Dr. Ayat Qureshi. Option B is the correct option. Question number 46. In 1946, The mission sent by British government was called Cabinet Mission. Option C is the correct option. Question number 47. Quaid came back to India on the appeal of Muslims in 1934. Option B is the correct option. Question number 48. Mr. I.I. Chandigarh was the Prime Minister of Pakistan from October 18, 1957 to December 16, 1957. Question number 49. Where is the Gomal University located? It is located in near Ismail Khan. Option D is the correct option. Question number 50. Which province of Pakistan is the largest area? So it is province of Balochistan. Let us see. So here it is. Option D is the correct option. Thank you very much. Kindly subscribe our channel. Allah Hafiz.